No, it doesn't. Man, I'm bored. I'm going to get some people. Wow, it's very dark outside. While they're sleeping, I'm just going to shoot them while they're sleeping. Get them, nubs. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Now. Is that what I think it is? Oh my god. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Sorry guys, I accidentally said full. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's go outside now. Beep, 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 beep. Pretend this is the outside. Beep, beep, beep. Paper, fire department. Put it over here. Is everyone here, guys? Is everyone here? Yes. Yes. Okay, so we're just going to talk about our beep. Oh no, guys, we have to go outside. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, guys, 1 minute. Guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me drop it. Actually, sorry, guys. Wait. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, let's head outside. Beep, beep. Hey, are you the one that pulled the fire alarm? Tell the truth. Yes. Hey, you're going to jail. Here's your cell. Now stay in there. No. Yeah, we're safe now. We're safe. We're safe now. Okay, this is the end of my video, guys. It's going to stop recording soon. Bye, guys.